And there you have it. McDonald's new crispy chicken sandwich. This isn't just another chicken sandwich. No, it's more than that.
This message is being transmitted at the request of Callaway County Emergency Management. At 4:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, a meltdown has occurred in Reactor 1 of the Callaway plant. All residents within a 75-mile radius of Portland, Missouri are being ordered to evacuate immediately. To evacuate, gather supplies such as food, water, and clothing. Stay tuned to this station and other local media outlets for news and information as this situation develops.